Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and in today's video I'm going to be doing episode 2 of my Garnier Fructis 1-minute hair mask review. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, basically what I'm doing is I am reviewing all of Garnier Fructis 1-minute hair masks. So they have about 5 of them. I can't even hold them all in my hand. So they have about 5 of them. So in episode 1, I reviewed the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-minute mask. So I put this in my hair and then I gave you guys a review of what I thought of it. So if you guys want to go see that, you guys should definitely go check that out. So yeah, I'll leave that information of that video in the description box, and I'll also leave a link somewhere in my channel for you guys to go click on that. So yeah, so basically in this series, I'm reviewing every single one of them individually and having a video for each one. So in this episode, I'm going to be reviewing the Damage Repairing Treat. So yeah, so this one has papaya extract. And so these 1-minute hair masks, if you guys didn't know, are 98% natural. So they have 98% naturally derived ingredients, and they're vegan. They are 94% biodegradable. No silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colors. So yeah, so this one is supposed to be a damage repairing treat. So yeah, I definitely need some repair for my hair just because I need a trim very soon. So I'm going to try to give my hair what I can until I get my ends trimmed in a week or two. But yeah, so this one smells very good. And the consistency is similar to the last one. It's not like super slippery or runny, but it's not super thick either. But this one is definitely somewhat thicker. Not super thick, but the consistency is actually pretty decent. I'm not gonna complain. But so yeah, so I'm just gonna be applying this into my hair. But so yeah, I'm just gonna apply this into my hair. So I'm going to start with the back, and I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see the application process. First, I already like this deep conditioner better than the last one, and that's just because like just going into my hair, it just feels like my hair is absorbing the product better, and I just feel like it's doing more for my hair than the last one, which sounds a little bit crazy because I remember how much I actually liked that one. And I remember in the last video I mentioned how I felt like my hair was getting like a treatment. So yeah, this one definitely feels more moisturizing than the last one, which is interesting. But yeah, so far so good. I like the way that it feels in my hair so far. So I'm just going to continue to apply this throughout the rest of my hair. I absolutely love this, guys, so much. Like, you guys, this feels so good in my hair. Like, I don't even want to take it out. Like, it just feels so good, so moisturized. I'm loving this stuff so much. Wow, this stuff feels great. Okay guys, so I just applied everything to my hair. I didn't want to like completely like make sure my hair was super soaked just because I didn't want to be dripping wet. But even without my hair being like super wet, I already feel like my hair is really taking to this product, which is really good. But yeah, obviously when I apply like my stylers and my moisturizers and leave-ins and things like that, like my hair obviously has to be soaked. Like this wouldn't work if this was like styling products. But yeah, so I like the way my hair feels. It definitely feels moisturized. This stuff feels really good in my hair, which I don't know, like I do definitely like this one better than the avocado one so far, but I haven't rinsed it out of my hair yet. But so far I like this one better, the way that it feels in my hair. So I'm gonna like turn around so you guys can like get like a close-up of my hair. So yeah, so far so good. I'm liking it. This is a 1 minute hair mask, but I'm not gonna leave it in for 1 minute. I never do. Oh my gosh, I keep hitting this thing today. But yeah, so I'm not leaving it in for 1 minute. I'm going to leave it in for so I'm not gonna leave it in for 1 minute. I'm actually gonna leave it in for about 30 minutes or so, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm going to come back to you guys with my final results on how it feels on my hair. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. I actually left this in for longer than I said I was. This was in for about an hour. Yes, my hair is soaking wet, and I like it like this because I'm about to style it, but basically I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this product. So I do like it better. On the previous episode of this series, I reviewed this one, and I like this one better, the papaya one, because I feel like this one is more moisturizing. This one is more of like, gives your hair like nutrients, and it's a treatment. This one I feel like it glided through my hair better, and I felt like my hair was softer and more moisturized with it. So that's my thoughts. So yeah, I really do like this. I feel like I would definitely like use this again, and when I run out of it I would definitely repurchase it. But yeah, I really do like it. Feeling my hair right now, it still does feel soft and moisturized, but it's not like the most moisturizing deep conditioner I've ever tried in my life. Like, I'm not gonna say that, but it is decent if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend too much money. But the back of my hair, for whatever reason, feels more moisturized than the front, which is weird. But yeah, so I do like it. It makes my hair does feel nice and soft. And yeah, so that's all I can say about the product so far. So I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a 360 again of what my hair looks like. But yeah, so I can't speak to the damage repairing side of it, because this is more of like a first impressions video. I would have to use this for like a couple of weeks, like a month or two on end, to notice like if it does help recover damage. However, if you are gonna try, you should try the damage eraser by Garnier Fructis, the deep conditioner. If you can try and find that online, because I haven't seen it in stores. That one actually does help with damage, because I've actually tried that years ago and I was using it for a very long time. That works really good. So if you're looking for a deep conditioner that works on damage, from my experience, that does work really good. This one says it's supposed to. I haven't used it more than once, so I have no idea. This is just the first time that I'm using it, so I can't speak to that. But anyway, so that's my review of this deep conditioner. I got this at Walmart, but I'm sure if you type this in on Google, you can see where else this is sold. I'm happy with the product, and now I'm gonna go style my hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.